I was cutting a workpiece, having no idea what was about to happen. And then the machine stopped right in the middle of the job, forcing me to hit the emergency stop. Watch to see what error popped up and how I fixed it in just a few steps. The first part got ruined, and in the second one, the motors jammed. And we got really lucky. The end mill didn't snap. I spent hours checking the machine, verifying the squareness, and running tests. But the problem kept persisting. Every single time, the Y-axis motors would shut down after wreaking havoc and skewing the machine. I was losing my patience. After all the testing and machine lubrication, I decided there was no other choice for recovery than to open up the machine's electronics enclosure once again. That turned out to be a smart move. I opened the enclosure, checked all the wires, and everything was neat, tight, and securely connected. I tested the connections with a multimeter, and it showed no signs of failure anywhere. Everything checked out fine, yet the problem remained the same. I thought the machine was completely done for, like it belonged in the trash, so I figured I'd have to buy new drivers, that the motors were bad, or that I had made a design flaw. The frustration was real. I sat down and thought about what to do next. I felt like grabbing the whole thing, throwing it out the window, and never going near it again. Suddenly, an idea hit me. I'll grab the multimeter and check the amperage of the two Y-axis motors. When I measured the amperage on the motors, I saw that one was running at 2.8 amps, while the other was at 2 amps. So, that's where we are. Later, I checked the dip switches on the driver, and sure enough, one motor was set to 2 amps instead of 2.8 amps. That probably happened when I was setting up the drivers and accidentally bumped the switch with my screwdriver and changing the amperage. Also, to explain what happens when the motors don't have the same amperage. One motor runs much stronger, while the other loses power at the lower amperage, and therefore, pass by pass, slowly loses synchronization with the other side. Because of this, the machine skewed racked until it reached a point where the motor simply jammed and could no longer drive the Y-axis. I set the amperage back to 2.8 amps, but I was still getting some weird noises from the motors. I realized that the 1/8 microstep setting was too rough, so I decided to change it to 1/16 microsteps to make the motors run much smoother. Finally, my machine is working perfectly. Check out the result in this video. It's slightly sped up so I don't waste your time. If you're having a similar issue, maybe it's not time to throw your machine out the window into the trash yet. It's quite possible a totally unexpected little mistake snuck in. I hope this video helps reduce your headaches. Thanks for the support. And if you want to follow my work, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.